Welcome to We Review. Today we're going to do a quick review of the Soundpeats H1, yet another flagship truly wireless earbuds that doesn't break the bank. Let's get into it. Let's have a quick look at what's inside the box. It's a pretty simple package. You get the earbuds housed in a magnetic charging case, a USB-C charging cable, 2 extra sets of rubber ear tips of different size, a set of medium-sized Comply ear tip, and the instruction manuals. Now, on to the design and the build quality of the Soundpeats H1. As with most TWS earbuds, the Soundpeats H1 is mostly made of premium plastic. This is good as it keeps the weight of the earbuds light, and that helps in ensuring that it stays in the ear during use. Both of the earbuds are touch enabled for controlling your media and switching between different modes. As compared to most of its competitors, the design of the H1 is bigger, so it will protrude a bit more from the ear as you're wearing them. Naturally, this means the case will also be bigger in size in order to store the earbuds, and it will translate into a noticeable bulge when you keep them in your pocket. Besides that, the case is well built with the lid and the earbuds held in place magnetically to secure the earbuds. If anything, I feel like the design of the hinge can be made a bit tighter, as the lid tends to wobble around when it's open and it closes itself even when I don't intend for it to do so. Also, the H1 does not start pairing or connecting to your devices as soon as you open the lid. It will only do so when you remove one of the earbuds from the case. This makes it feel a bit sluggish or less intuitive if you compare it with other flagship earbuds out there. Another thing which I feel is a hit and miss with regards to the H1 is the battery level indicator in the case itself. The battery level indicator is represented by 4 white LED inside the case. So what I really like about this compared to other earbuds case out there is that the battery level are well indicated on the 4 LEDs as compared to one LED that is usually on other cases. But the weird thing is that the battery indicator is housed inside the case instead of outside, so it's a bit cumbersome for me to always have to open the lid whenever I need to check on the battery level, be it for charging or just to check how much battery is left. Now let's talk about the comfort and fit of the H1. Although the H1 is a bit on the bulkier side, the earbuds actually fits comfortably in my ears, and I have no issue with it moving or falling out of my ears during long hours of use. For a more secure fit and better isolation, it is recommended that you use the Comply ear tips that comes with the earbuds instead of the rubber tip. But as for me, I have no issue with both, and both are great overall. One thing to note is that the Comply ear tips actually enhances the bass of the earbuds more. If you are a person who loves listening to bass music, then this is probably right up your alley. If you're not, it is fine too, as Soundpeats has recently launched an app that enables us to EQ the music according to our liking. The battery life of the H1 is really good too. Around 8 hours of playtime on the earbuds and an additional 3 to 4 charges with the case. So depending on your usage, you can go up to 35 hours of playtime without having to recharge it. The case is also wireless charging enabled and works with most of the wireless charging pad out there. Even though this is a dual driver's earbud, meaning each earbud actually contains 2 speakers, the inclusion of the latest Qualcomm Bluetooth chip running Bluetooth 5.2 really helps to prolong the battery life of the earbuds. Another reason for the longer battery life is that the H1 do not have active noise cancelling nor transparency mode, which for me doesn't really impact the enjoyment of the earbuds, as the passive noise isolation from the ear tips are already doing a great job in blocking out most of the external noise. It is a good feature to have, but it is not a must in most of my use cases. As for the sound quality, the Soundpeats H1 is actually quite a bassy earbuds. Again, if you are a bass head and you love listening to house, EDM or even techno music, I think you will like this earbud. That being said, the bass is well controlled and it doesn't bleed into the mids. The highs is also clear and defined with little to no sibilance, making it less fatiguing during long listening sessions. If you're like me and you consume most of your media from apps such as Spotify and YouTube, I think these earbuds is more than enough for that. One of the highlights of the Soundpeats H1 is a feature called Gaming Mode. If you are a mobile gamer, this will be good for you as it reduces the latency of the earbuds from your mobile devices, making it more responsive for games that require fast reaction such as FPS and rhythm games. The fact that this is a basic earbuds also makes action games more immersive as it highlights the low rumble of the gunshots and explosions. Other than gaming, it works quite well with movies too. Another great feature of the earbud is that it can be used separately. I find it useful when I need to use the earbuds for making calls while being able to hear my surrounding when I'm on the move. The Bluetooth 5.2 chip on the earbuds also helps in improving call quality via a built-in feature called Dual Mic CVC noise cancellation, which works to minimize your environment sound when you're making calls so your voice will come through clearer on the other end. At the time of this recording, Soundpeats have also launched their mobile app both on Android and iOS platform, making it even better as you now have the ability to customize some of the settings in your earbuds such as your preferred sound profile. Currently, the Soundpeats H1 is only available for purchase via a crowdfunding platform called Indiegogo. It retails for $79 or around 320 ringgit. If you're not comfortable making your purchase through Indiegogo, then you may have to wait for a while for it to be made available on other online shopping platforms. According to Soundpeats, they will eventually be distributed for sale on other platforms, but there is no specific mention of when will that be. I think the Soundpeats H1 is a good earbuds for its price. If ANC and transparency mode is not important for you, I think this is a good buy as it checks a lot of boxes on what a good flagship earbuds is all about without breaking the bank. So yep, this wraps up the Soundpeats H1 review. Thanks again for watching we review, and if you like what you saw, a like and a subscribe to our channel will be greatly appreciated. Until the next episode, see ya!